Hey everybody! Welcome back to the show! Today we're diving deep into the secret world of attraction. And by secret world, I mean it's not so secret if you know what to look for. We're talking about those telltale signs that someone's totally into you. Get this. A whopping 94% of women exhibit certain behaviors when they're feeling the attraction vibe. And you know what? We've got the science to back it up. So, whether you're a hopeless romantic, a dating app enthusiast, or just curious about the birds and the bees, this video is your guide to decoding the language of attraction. Let's get started! Chapter 1, Eye Contact. Alright, let's talk about eye contact, people. It's the window to the soul, or so they say. But did you know it's also a superhighway to attraction? Studies show that when someone's interested in you, they tend to hold your gaze a little longer than usual. It's like they can't get enough of those baby blues or browns or greens or hazels. You get the picture. And it's not just about the length of the eye contact, it's the intensity too. You know, that feeling when you lock eyes with someone across a crowded room and it's like the rest of the world just fades away? Yeah, that's the good stuff. Science says that's your brain releasing all those feel-good hormones like dopamine and oxytocin. So, if you catch someone gazing at you like you're the last slice of pizza, chances are they're feeling the attraction. Chapter 2, Mirroring. Have you ever noticed how, when you're really vibing with someone, you start to unconsciously mimic their movements? Like, they take a sip of their drink and suddenly you're parched too? Or they cross their legs and you follow suit? Well, guess what? That's mirroring, my friends, and it's a surefire sign of attraction. Psychologists call it the chameleon effect, and it basically means that when we like someone, we subconsciously mirror their behavior as a way to build rapport and connection. It's like our bodies are saying, hey, we're on the same wavelength here. So, next time you're chatting with someone you're interested in, pay attention to their body language. If they start mirroring your moves, it's a good sign they're feeling the connection too. Chapter 3, Smiling. You know what's contagious? A genuine smile. And you know what else a genuine smile can signal? Attraction. When we're attracted to someone, we can't help but light up like a Christmas tree in their presence. Our cheeks get rosy, our eyes twinkle, and we flash those pearly whites like nobody's business. And it's not just any old smile, folks. We're talking about the Duchenne smile, the one that reaches all the way up to our eyes and makes us look like we won the lottery. Studies show that the Duchenne smile is a reliable indicator of genuine happiness and, you guessed it, attraction. So if someone's showering you with those genuine grins, chances are they're smitten. Chapter 4, Touching Hair. Let's talk about hair for a second. Specifically, what it means when someone starts playing with their hair while they're talking to you. Now, before you go thinking everyone who twirls their hair is secretly in love with you, let's break it down. When we're attracted to someone, we become acutely aware of our appearance. We want to look our best, and we subconsciously engage in little grooming behaviors to enhance our attractiveness. Touching our hair is one of those behaviors. It's like we're saying, hey, check out my luscious locks. Aren't they fabulous? So if you notice someone subtly twirling their hair, tucking it behind their ear, or smoothing it down while you're chatting, it could be a sign they're trying to get your attention. Chapter 5, Leaning In. You know that feeling when you're so engrossed in a conversation with someone, you find yourself leaning in closer and closer? Like you just can't get enough of their words, their scent, their presence. Well, that, my friends, is attraction in action. When we're attracted to someone, we crave their proximity. We want to be close to them, both physically and emotionally. So we lean in, we close the distance, we bridge the gap between us. It's a subconscious way of saying, I'm interested, tell me more. Now, I'm not saying you should go invade someone's personal space, but if you notice someone naturally leaning in towards you during a conversation, it's a good sign they're enjoying your company and feeling the attraction. Chapter 6, Laughing at Jokes. They say laughter is the best medicine, But did you know it's also the language of love? Okay, maybe not literally, but you get the idea. When we're attracted to someone, we find them utterly hilarious. Even their lamest jokes have us cracking up like they're the next Jerry Seinfeld. It's not that they're actually that funny, no offense, Jerry. It's that our brains are flooded with dopamine and other feel-good chemicals when we're around someone we like, and those chemicals make us more receptive to humor. So if someone's constantly giggling at your jokes, even the ones you wouldn't tell your grandma, it's a good sign they're smitten. Chapter 7. Asking Personal Questions. Small talk is fine and dandy, but you know what separates casual acquaintances from potential love interests? Personal questions. When someone's genuinely interested in you, they want to know more than just your favorite color or what you had for breakfast. They want to delve deeper, to understand your hopes, dreams, fears, and aspirations. They ask about your childhood, your passions, your biggest regrets. They're not just making conversation, they're investing in you. They're showing that they see you, they hear you, and they want to know you on a deeper level. So if someone's peppering you with personal questions, it's a surefire sign they're intrigued and attracted. Chapter 8. Blushing. You know that feeling when someone compliments you, or you accidentally make eye contact for a little too long and suddenly your cheeks feel like they're on fire? That, my friends, is the blush of attraction. Blushing is an involuntary physiological response to emotional arousal, and it's often triggered by feelings of embarrassment, shyness, or you guessed it, attraction. When we're attracted to someone, our sympathetic nervous system kicks into gear, releasing adrenaline and increasing blood flow to our skin. This causes our cheeks to flush, giving us that telltale rosy glow. So if you notice someone blushing in your presence, it's a good sign they're feeling flustered, flattered, and maybe even a little smitten. Chapter 9. Finding Excuses to Touch. Physical touch is a powerful thing. It can convey warmth, comfort, affection, and, you guessed it, attraction. When we're attracted to someone, we crave their touch. We want to feel their skin against ours, to experience that electric spark of connection. So we find excuses to touch them, even if it's just a fleeting brush of the hand, a playful nudge on the shoulder, or a lingering touch on the arm. These seemingly insignificant gestures are actually our body's way of saying, I want to be closer to you. So if someone's constantly finding reasons to touch you, even in the most subtle of ways, it's a good sign they're feeling the attraction. Chapter 10. Maintaining Proximity. Remember that whole personal space thing we talked about earlier? Well, when it comes to attraction, all bets are off. When we're attracted to someone, we want to be in their orbit, to bask in their presence, to breathe the same air. So, we subconsciously position ourselves closer to them, whether it's sitting next to them at a table, standing shoulder to shoulder in a crowd, or simply gravitating towards them in a room. We're not being creepy, we're just following our instincts. Our bodies know what they want, and what they want is to be near the object of our affection. So if you notice someone consistently maintaining close proximity to you, it's a good sign they're feeling the pull of attraction. So there you have it. We've uncovered the top 10 scientifically proven signs that someone's totally smitten with you. From lingering eye contact and playful hair twirling to genuine laughter and those telltale blushes, the language of attraction is all around us. So next time you're wondering if someone's feeling the spark, pay attention to their body language, their behavior, and those subtle cues they're sending your way. You might be surprised at what you discover. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of attraction, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more relationship tips and tricks. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, everyone, and until next time, keep those sparks flying.